Hi, I'm Carrie Michael. Today I'm going to teach a breathing technique called Kapalabhati breathing, which translated from the Sanskrit is skull shining breath. That sounds intense. I promise it's okay. But this breath is an ancient yogic purification technique. So it will energize you and it will clear your head, both literally and figuratively. So pro tip, before we do this breathing technique, you might want to blow your nose or keep some tissues handy. And you might want to not do this right after a big meal. I know, I'm really selling it. But this breath is really an energetic breath. It's a forceful breath. It does have some contraindications. So if you're on your cycle or if you're pregnant, if you have high or low blood pressure, heart disease, hernia, gastric ulcer, if you have a detached retina or glaucoma, vertigo, if you have significant nosebleeds, migraine headaches, history of stroke, or if you've recently undergone abdominal surgery, you might want to sit this one out. Otherwise, I will teach you this breath. So, Kapalabhati breathing, the exhale is forceful and active, but the inhale is passive. So the abdominal muscles are going to contract sharply on the exhale. And as you exhale, you'll feel the navel pull in. So it's really good for strengthening the core too. I will be glad to demonstrate this. So, just sit nice and tall. You can sit in a chair or, I'm sitting here on a cushion. And spine is nice and long, chest lifted, shoulders back and down, chin slightly tucked. And just take a couple of nice, regular breaths. Just kind of get a couple breaths in. And I'm going to demonstrate for you, and then we'll begin together, okay? So I made it sound scary. It's not, I promise. So sitting nice and tall, inhale, and then the exhale is this forceful. I don't know if you can see like my abdominal muscles are contracting. You don't have to do this particularly fast. Your tempo might be a little slower than mine. You might want to speed up faster than me. I don't know, but I'm going to just do sort of a nice, easy rhythm to start out with. And we'll just see how it goes. But if you need to adjust the tempo, then, by all means, please do. The breath technique is the same, whether it's faster or slower. The tempo doesn't much matter. Okay, so now you've seen what it looks like and sounds like. We're going to do 3 rounds of 36 Kapalabhati breaths for a total of 108. So inhale deeply here. And exhale. And we'll begin. Inhale. Inhale and exhale. Ready for the second round? Here we go. Inhale here. Inhale here and let it go. Last round. Inhale here. Inhale and exhale. And come back to a regular breath. Be super still. And just breathe. Notice any sensations in your body. You might notice that your thoughts have sort of calmed down, but yet you may feel a little buzz of energy, and all of that's pretty normal. Inhale and exhale. See, it wasn't so bad. Short and sweet, Kapalabhati breathing. Skull shining breath. I hope you enjoyed this practice, and I will show you even more. Join me again next time. Thanks so much.